and promoting the culture of my people, especially when we talk of culture, language is one of the important elements. For many years, we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope, with the support of members, that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language. And I
Samla kiramba ni ramang ni ko nakaliam ko nga sino ki ay kai bakhat pat ki mo yong ko na pamok na ko roa ki ba yet te it's kam ki ni da kai ko sebentar tu ko ni ki ba ni don kam pat ko ki ba kam check ya ni jo ko check briew ko ba kami kita briew ko ba luspa kastak shwa naka cingkat cingsiak nomor dan kena kreatif ini mau apa ni iswai brain tempat bom tradisional buat brain pelat ni